Hi, it's Mark Comon from Paul's Photo, the lab at Paul's Photo, and the Creative Photo Academy. It's another great day to be creative. We're here at Disneyland today, and people have always asked me, Mark, do I need to carry as big an outfit as you normally carry? And so that's up to you. I decided today to bring a small kit. So I have my Peak or everyday sling bag, the Nikon Z7 II with the 24 to 200 lens. So all the manufacturers today make a wide zoom, a travel zoom lens. So 24 to 200 gives me wide angle, normal, and a pretty good telephoto in one lens. So with a small bag, I can get a good amount of pictures. I can do really great photography. What's the disadvantage of a lens like this? It's a little bit less picture quality and it's a little bit dimmer, it's a little bit slower. This is an f6.3 where most of these lenses are. So what do you have to do? You have to raise your ISO in low light capabilities, but in bright sunshine it's great. So what am I doing today? Scenery photography, the beautiful scenes. So some close-ups and some details and even some portrait photography. So where am I? Aperture priority f8, ISO 400. Gonna give me shutter speeds between 250 and a 2,000th of a second. We're gonna go out and have some fun, make some pictures, and be creative. Mark Comon from Paul's Photo, the lab at Paul's Photo, and the Creative Photo Academy. Get out, make some pictures, and share them today.